Good morning, children. We are on chapter 5. Yes, that is order of operations. Yes, and in last class, that is in last exercise, that is 5A, we have done D mass. Okay, what if brackets and off is given? Along with addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication, what if brackets and off is given? So what we are going to do, children? That we are going to learn in exercise 5B, which is given on page number 72. Children, here I will like to remind you one thing. Exercise 5B and exercise 5C based on board mass only. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, children, here we will learn board mass. What we are going to learn, children, here? Board mass. Okay, and what is board mass? B stands for bracket. So children, here B stands for bracket, and there are three types of bracket. First, parenthesis, second, braces, and third, brackets. Children, there are how many types of brackets? Three. Parenthesis, braces and brackets. So children, when all three brackets are given, first we are going to solve parenthesis. Okay, and then we are going second number, we are going to solve braces, and on the third number, that means in brackets, we are going to solve last this square bracket, that is brackets. Clear? This much is clear, children. And B for brackets is clear. And O for, what is O for, children? Off. Off means, multiplication. Off means, children, multiplication. So don't get worried and don't get scared of this off. Off is nothing, simply multiplication. D for division, we all know, and this is division sign. And then on the third step, we are going to solve division, and on the fourth step, we are going to do multiplication. Yes, we all know this is multiplication sign. And on the fifth step, we are going to solve addition. This is addition sign. And at last, on the sixth step, we are going to solve division. So, if brackets are given, off is given, multiplication, subtraction, division, addition is given, then what will be our sequence? First, bracket. In bracket, we are going to solve first parenthesis if it is given, then braces, and at last brackets. Normally, we can see only this, parenthesis and brackets. Here, braces we hardly use, okay, but normally we use parenthesis and brackets. And after that, off. Off is nothing, only multiplication. That is on the second step. Third step, division. Fourth step, multiplication. Or fifth step, addition. And the sixth step, subtraction. This much is clear, children? Now, it is clear? Brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is clear? Now let's take example. Now children, let's take first example. So what is our first example, children? In parenthesis, that is this square bracket. So not parenthesis, sorry, this is bracket. This is square bracket. Bracket 60, bracket open, 60 minus small bracket open, that is parenthesis, 3 into 18, small parenthesis close, then bracket close, division, bracket open, 2 plus 4, bracket close. This is our sum. So children, what rule says? Board mass. Children, remember what rule says? Board mass. Yes, this is what we are going to follow. Yes. Now, if bracket is given and we can see this also, this also, and this also. So which bracket we are going to solve first? This. First, then second, then third. Yes, so here you can see only this one and this one. This is not given in this sum. So which we are going to solve first, children? We are going to solve first this one. This is clear? So here, two brackets are there, children. See, this and this. We will solve on first step only. Okay, now. Bracket open, 60 minus, now solve it. 3 times 18 is 54. Okay. Now 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3, carry 2. So 54. Bracket open. Clear? Division sign copy as it is. Solve this. 2 plus 4 is 6, open bracket. This much is clear, children. Now, again bracket is there. See here. So, what we are going to do? We are going to pick this first. Now, 60 minus 54. What is there? 6. Open bracket. Once you have solved it, you can open bracket. Divide sign as it is 6. 6 divided by 6 is what? 1. So, what is your answer, children? 1. So, children, this is your answer. Clear? Now, children, let's take second example. Now, that brackets open, then parenthesis open, bracket open, 60 minus 3, bracket close, multiplication, bracket open, 18 divided by 2, bracket close, then bracket close plus 4. What you have to remember, children? Simple board mass. This you have to always keep in your mind. Okay, so for first what we are going to solve it? Bracket. Okay, which bracket? This one. Parenthesis. This one and this one. Yes? Now solve it. Bracket open. 60 minus 3. 60 minus 3 will be 57. Yes, multiplied by 18 divided by 2, 9. Yes, when you divide 18 by 2, what you will get? 9. Bracket close plus 4. Now, what you are going to do, children, first? Bracket. Why? Because bracket is there. Yes, 57 into 9. Simple, children. Do it here. I don't know. Into 9. 9 sevens are 63. Yes, 3 here, 6 here. 9 fives are 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So, what is here, children? 513 plus 4. Yes, now solve this. So, 517. Yes, is answer. So, this is what, children? This is our answer. Simple. Now, children, let's see what is our third example. It is in fraction. Till now, we have done exercise with whole number. Now, we are going to solve fractions. Okay. Now, children, here you can see it is given in mixed fraction. It is given here 12 whole 3 upon 5 divided by 1 whole 4 upon 5. Okay. And here 1. Now, let me read the statement only. Bracket open 12 whole 3 upon 5 divided by 1 whole 4 upon 5, bracket close, multiplication multiplied by bracket open 1 upon 8 of 1 whole 1 upon 7, bracket close, divided by 1 whole 5 upon 9. So, children, you can see here, what is this? Mixed fraction. Yes, first simply change into improper fraction. First, you change into improper fraction. So, 12 fives are 60. 60 plus 3. 63 upon 5. Keep this bracket. Now, 5 ones are 5 plus 4. 9. 9 upon 5. Yes, bracket close. Multiply sign as it is. 1 upon 8 of as it is. 7 ones are 7. 8 upon 7, bracket close, divided by 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 5, 14 upon 9. Now this much is clear, children. What do you have to remember? Yes, very good. Board mass. Simple. You have to remember this only. Board mass. Nothing else. So, what we are going to solve first here? Bracket. Yes, so what is there? This bracket and this bracket. Okay, so 63 is our dividend. So, I'll copy as it is. 9 and 5. 9 upon 5 is our divisor. So, we reciprocal it. And after reciprocal, we will get 5 upon 9 into. This sign will change into division sign will. This division sign will change into multiplication. Yes. Bracket close into. Now, 1 upon 8 of. Of is what? Multiplication. 8 upon 7, bracket close, divided by 14 upon 9. This is clear. Children, you can see here multiplication, but I am not touching this multiplication sign because rule says first we have to solve bracket. So now let's solve this. 1 time. Yes. 9 ones are 9. 9 sevens are 63. Fine. This you remember, children? Here also 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Now children, to avoid confusion, children, please don't skip steps. So what is left here? 7 upon 1, bracket open, into 1 upon 1, into 1 upon 1 into 1 upon 7, division sign, 14 upon 9. See children, I am just to make you understand, I am not skipping any step. Please make this cutting clear. Okay, now we are going to solve this only. Okay, so 7 ones are 7, 1. Multiplication sign, 1 upon 7. Divided by 14 upon 9. Now what rule says? Of is not there. Okay, now children, if you notice, of is not there, addition is not there, subtraction is not there. What is there? D and M, that is multiplication and division. So what we are going to pick first? Division. We are going to pick first division. Okay children, now see 7 into 1 upon 7 as it is. Because this is divisor here. This sign will change into multiplication because we will reciprocal divisor. So 9 upon 14. This is clear children. 9 upon 14 will be here. Now you have to see. Now all are multiplication sign children. Now see if you can reduce anything. This 1 time, 7 ones are 7 and 7 ones are 7. Yes, diagonally I have reduced. So basically you left 1 into 1 into 9 upon 14. Yes children, which is equal to 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 9, 9 upon 14. Yes, answer. So what is this children? This is your answer. Clear? Now children, let's take last example. Example 4th. Now it says 3 upon 8 multiplied by bracket open 5 plus braces, that is kind of bracket only, bracket open 3 upon 4 minus bracket open 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3, bracket close and bracket close. Division 6 whole 7 upon 10. Now children, what you have to do? You have to solve. What have you have to remember? Children, simple. Board mass. Okay, now what is given here first? Bracket is given. Now if you will see, all three brackets are given. This one, and this one. Which we are going to solve first? This one. Then this, and then this. Yes? Now, simple children, what do you have to do first? First change into this improper fraction, children. First this improper fraction change into mixed fraction. So 3 upon 8, copy rest of the things as it is. 5 plus sign, bracket open, 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3, bracket close, divide sign. Now change this. 6 times 10 is 60 plus 7. 67 upon 10. This is clear, children. Now what you are going to do first? This one. Now children, just pay attention, children, please. In fraction, it is very simple, but because all 4 applications are there, then it becomes little confusing. So please do it, do these sums patiently. Okay, don't lose your patience while solving these sums. So 3 upon 8 into 5 as it is, addition sign as it is, this bracket will be as it is, minus, now LCM will be, children, 6. What will be LCM? 6. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. So 1 into 3 minus 1 into 2, because 3 times 2 is 6. Now bracket close, divide 67 upon 10. This is clear, children. Again we are going to solve this only, children. Okay, don't lose your patience. I am reminding again and again. 3 upon 8 into 5 plus bracket open 4 minus. So what will be this, children? 3 minus 2 upon 6 basically. Divide sign, 67 upon 10. Until we solve this bracket, we are not going to open it. Now we can open at this step. 3 upon 8 into 5 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3 minus 2, 1 upon 6. Okay, children. Now here bracket close, division sign, 67 and 10. This much is clear. Now which bracket we are going to solve? Now we are going to solve this one. Yes. Now take it out, LCM of 4 and 6. 4, 6, 2 times. 2s are 3s are. 2s are 3 as it is. Then 3s are 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are. What you have to do? You have to just multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is LCM, children? 12 here. So what you are going to do? 3 upon 8 into 5 plus 12, bracket close. Now children, 4 times 3. So 3 into 3, 6 times 2, 1 into 2. Okay. Is it clear, children? This is 2. Divided, bracket close, divided by 67 upon 10. Clear? Now see, children, I am telling you again, don't lose your patience. It is lengthy, but we can solve. 3 upon 8, multiplication. Now 5 plus 9 minus 2, 12. Bracket close, 67 upon 10. Children, don't lose your patience, okay? Until we solve it, we cannot open it, children. Now we can open this bracket. Now see, children. So 3 upon 8 into bracket open, 5 plus 9 minus 2, 7 upon 12, 67 upon 10. Yes, children, but still we are having bracket, so we are going to solve this bracket. Now, see here. Three times 8. What is LCM, children? 12. What is LCM here? 12 is LCM. So, 1 into 12. So, 5 into 12 plus 7 into 1. Close bracket. Divide sign, 67 upon 10. Again, children, I am going to solve this one only. Now, children, please don't lose your patience. I am telling you again. Sorry. 3 upon 8 into 5 times 12. 5 times 12 is, children, 60 plus 7. Yes. Upon 12. Bracket close. 67 upon 10. Yes. Now we can open this. 3 times 8 into 67 upon 12 divided by 67 upon 10. Yes, children. Now, let me copy this same step backside, children. What is there? Is equal to 3 upon 8 multiplication. Now, children, you can see here. 3 upon 8 into 67. Okay. So, here I'll be writing 67 upon 12 divided by 67 upon 10. You can check here, children. 3 upon 8 into 67 upon 12 divided by 67 upon 10, which is same here. I have copied. Don't worry about pages. Don't worry. Okay, just do it. Have some patience and solve it. Okay, 3 upon 8 multiplied by 67 upon 12 divided by 67 upon 10. So, children, what you remember? BODMAS. So, two signs are there. This multiplication and division. Which sign we are going to do first? This one. Okay. Now, see, children. What we are going to do? 3 upon 8 copy as it is. Multiplication sign copy. Now 67 upon 12 will be as it is. Why? Because it is dividend. And this sign will change into multiplication. Why? Because we are going to reciprocal this divisor. Yes, it will be 10 upon 67. Yes, this is clear. Now children, can you see? We can reduce? Yes. How? 67 times 67 and this we can reduce. So this is how many times? 1 time. This is 5 times. This is 6 times. Yes, now copy this. 3 upon 8 into 1 upon 6 into 5 upon 1. Can we reduce anything else? Yes, children. This one. Children, always pay attention and try to reduce it so that calculation will be easy. Now, 1 time, 2 time. Yes, children. So, 1 upon 8 into 1 upon 2 into 5. Now, multiply. You can multiply in one go also. 1 into 1, 1. 1 5s are 5. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 into 1 is 16. So, this is our answer. Is it clear, children? Good. Thank you.